SARL is an AI-powered platform, a government initiative developed under support of the ANRF, Anusandhan National Research Foundation, with the primary goal of democratizing research. Research papers with valuable insights are converted into simplified forms by converting them into engaging formats such as videos, presentations, and podcasts to reach more people, thereby creating a bridge between the scientific community and the public. Moreover, additionally, these contents can be converted into various Indian languages, thereby aiding meaningful knowledge dissemination, fostering further research, and creating public awareness. Our prestigious institution, SRM Institute of Science and Technology, has several impactful research publications and patents which have been converted through the SARL AI platform. Especially recently, some of the top papers have been selected and published, and they will be shared.
Welcome to this presentation on efficient nonlinear communication between two distally located metal centers in NHC-supported homobimetallic complexes. This research was conducted by Chandrasekhar Tiwari et al. And published in 1st January 2025. Today we'll explore the key findings and contributions of this important work. Let's begin by understanding the problem this research addresses. Polynuclear homometallic systems are of significant interest in chemistry and biology due to their efficiency and selectivity in transformations. Natural examples like hemerythrin, hydrogenase, and tyrosinase highlight the importance of metal-to-metal communication. Synthetic bimetallic complexes aim to mimic these functions, with efficient communication facilitated by precise spatial arrangement and bridging ligands. The synthesis involved the preparation of unsymmetrically substituted bis-azolium salts 4,4 through a multi-step procedure. This included diazotization, azidation of 4-IODO-ANILINE 13 dipolar cycloaddition with vinyl acetate, Ullmann coupling with 124 triazole, and subsequent double N-ethylation. Characterization of these salts was performed using multinuclear NMR, HRMS, and single crystal X-ray diffraction, SCXRD. The synthesis yielded bis-triazolium salts 4,4 with distinct NMR signals for the 123 and 124 triazolium units. Treatment with metal precursors afforded homobimetallic Di, RH5 and DiU66 complexes. HRMS confirmed the bimetallic composition, and NMR data indicated mixed coordination modes, orthometallation of the 124 triazolium moiety, and non-chelated coordination to the 123 triazolium moiety. The synthesized homobimetallic complexes 5 and 6 exhibit a rare structural motif featuring mixed normal and abnormal NHC coordination, along with orthometallated and non-orthometallated metal centers on a single dicarbene ligand platform. A novel synthetic route led to the formation of homobimetallic DRH and DRU complexes 5 and 6, supported by a heterotopic 123 and 124 triazole-based dicarbene ligand. These complexes possess unique structural features, including mixed coordination modes of NH, CS, and orthometallation. Crucially, significant nonlinear metal-to-metal electronic communication was established between the distally located metal centers.